The strengths of this popcorn and margarine model are the following. There are good representations where margarine represents the invisible force and the corn kernels represent the molecule in an atom.
Second, the kinetic molecular theory for the three phases of matter were present in the experiment.
Its weaknesses are the difference of lattice of the three phases of matter was not clearly shown.
A solid is transformed into a liquid by melting, where heat is applied to the solid to make it melt.
Heat was added to the solid and caused it to melt. To make the solid resolidify, heat should be taken away from the system.
In the popcorn margarine model, the margarine represents the invisible force, while the popcorn kernels represent the molecules in an atom.
The amount of heat causes the transformation of the change of phase of matter.
A gas is transformed into a liquid by condensation, where heat is taken away from the gas or exposed into the cold temperature to make the gas condense and turn into a liquid.
A liquid is transformed into a solid by freezing, where heat is taken away from the liquid or exposed into the cold temperature.
A liquid is transformed into a gas by evaporation, where heat is applied to the liquid to make the liquid evaporate and turn into a gas.
The transformations that took place are melting, when solid was transformed into liquid, freezing, when liquid is transformed into solid, evaporation, when liquid was transformed into gas, and condensation, when gas was transformed into liquid.
Kinetic molecular theory states that as temperature increases, the molecules moves faster. The said theory is related to this activity because the popcorn-margarine mixture is a great representation of how the kinetic molecular theory works.